see trees of green. Red roses too. I see 'em bloom for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Well, now, really, when we go back then to falling in love and say it's crazy, falling. The moment you take a step, the moment you take a journey, what an act of faith. But this is the most powerful thing that can be done. Surrender. See, and love is an act of surrender to another person.
Looks like we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby. Might have took the long way. We knew we'd get there someday. They said, I bet they'll never make it. But just look at us holding on. We're still together, still going strong. You're still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life. Still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. You're still the one I kiss goodnight.
Ang kasal ay isang pagsasama ng dalawang nilalang, ang babae at lalaki.
Nakilala ko si Daniel sa Tantan. Online dating app siya.
After graduation ko lang yun, nag-apply ako ng work. Then, yun, sinabay ko na din yung konting paglando.
I'll be better when I'm older. I'll be the
Nakachat ko si Catherine. First words lang namin is, hi, good morning. Parang hindi namin expect na after 6 years, nandito na kami.
rain falls angry on the tin roof as we lie awake in my bed. You're my survival, you're my living proof that my love is alive and not dead.
Mga nagustuhan ko sa kanya nakita ko si engineer siya. Yung talaga kasi yung ideal man ko noon. Dapat civil engineer siya. Kaso, yun nga, hindi civil si Daniel. Mechanical siya, gano'n. Pero at least, sounds like, at least engineer pa din, gano'n.
Catherine, alam mo, makikita mo to, yung alam ko nakangisi ka na. Keep up lang natin, yung nasimulan natin, yung mga dreams natin, yung mga goals natin, kayang-kaya natin yung i-achieve basta magkasama lang tayo.
Within 6 years in a relationship with Dan, almost perfect yung relationship namin kasi no breakups as in yung 6 years namin together.
Dahil sa kanya, saka lang ako nakalabas ng night kasi medyo introvert ako. Hindi ako naglalabas ng bahay.
Love, gusto ko lang mag-thank you. Kasi, lalo na sa prep ng kasal natin so stressful. Pero, naging mahinahon ka pa din. Yun lang, wala na. Basta, let's enjoy this moment na lang. Yun lang. I love you.